Okay, hello guys. So today is Monday, April 4th, and we are going to be doing something very exciting today. So if you remember, I bought the Honda HRX217VKA mower back in the end of the year of last year, if you remembered it. Well, I still have it with me in the box, so I'll show you. So it's still in here. So it's my brand new Honda HRX217VKA mower, and I paid about $640 for this. The reason why I had to get it in October of last year instead of this year in the springtime, because if I waited until that long, the prices would gone up, and I got a discount from Home Depot, I believe, on the gift card or something, and I got a decent deal on it, but it's still brand new, so of course it is. But I put this little piece of tape on just to prevent a lot of dust coming from under here, and then because it's not sealed before, so I put that tape on to protect it. So yeah, so very exciting for this. This probably might be the best Honda mower I might ever own. We'll find out. We'll unbox it and we'll start it up and maybe do a test mode with it and see how well it does. So I'll just give you the specs on this real quick, and then I'm gonna pull it out, and I'm gonna pull the whole box of the mower on that green rug. So it has a net sight deck. It's very durable, so it is corrosion proof. No, I'm sorry, it is, well, they say it's dent resistant. It's pretty much rust proof, corrosion proof, and rust proof. So yeah, this is plastic. And a 2.5 bushel bag, 3-position adjustable handle, and it has a 5-year warranty, a 7-position cutting height, and really good, it has ball bearing wheels. And also, more impressive, it has a 10-position clip director and a select drive, adjustable speed, and it has the GCV 200 engine. And yeah, so you can see the HRN real quick. Well, this has a GCV 170, but this one was 410 when it was brand new, and it's just a little bit basic. But the only thing I do like about this one, other than the HRX, just for one thing, is that I like the wheels on this one better. Yeah, I just like the wheels on the HRN better. So yeah, that's just my opinion. All right, anyway, so enough talking. So very excited for this. I know I don't want to but a expensive $600 mower that is like a luxurious mower. But yeah, I just will see how it does, and we'll unbox it and we'll start it up. So here we go. I think that's a good view. So alright, so see what we get. So here we go. Let's see what it says. I'm gonna open it then. That's weird. Oh man. Oh yeah, they'll leave a bit of dust in there, but oh my gosh, this is so nice. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. Wow. Just look how pretty this thing is. This thing is very new. Oh, here's the stone. No, it's the model setup instructions, whatever. Okay, so it has splash touching on it. So if you're wondering, the reason why I put this little piece of cardboard, because after I'm done cleaning this thing up, I don't want this thing to get dirty, and so that's why I kept it. So that's why I kept cardboards and all. Okay, so anyway, all right. What we got is an owner's manual. Oh, and a bottle of oil. Also have the grass bag. Oh wow, now I can see better. I just look how pretty that thing is. Oh, it's a grass bag here. Right, okay, so we got it out of the box. Oh, I think this is the grass bag thing to pull up in a second. Okay, and look how, and there she is. Look how pretty this thing is. It's a 2021 model, so. There's the clip right there from mulch to bag. So if you go all the way to the mulch setting, that's full mulch. If you do about the middle, you would either do maybe some mulching and some bagging. And if you move all the way to the bag position, then if you have the bag on, all the clippings go into the bag. But if you have the bag, if you have the clip there to set all the way to full bag mode, and if you move the bag, it makes it as a rear discharge chute. Just like the HRN. Except the HRN is just a one. It's just a 2 switch. You just, it's the HRN. This one, it just says mulch and bag, so you pull this lever and that's a mulch. And if you want to do bag mode or rear discharge mode, move the bag and set. Clip right all the way to full bag setting, and that is in rear discharge mode. So yeah, it works fine. But this 10 position clip right is really nice, and this thing also has a leaf shred, really good, built into it. I think you set the mulch in the 2 notches, I believe. I think it's this or this, I don't know, but the whole thing is I can't wait in the fall time. I cannot wait to test this thing out of mulching some leaves. This is gonna be really fun to use. Just another leaf shred, so that's gonna be really cool. Right, let me undo the protective packaging. I put this cardboard on so it'll prevent a lot of dirt getting on. These tires are so nice and shiny. I have the owner's manual, if you saw it. So here's what it is. The bottle of oil is 12 ounces, so I think it's the same amount of ounces as let me unmute this. There's also repositions. Yeah, it does seem a little bit harder to like pull backwards compared to the HRN. The HRN pulls backwards much easier, but this is, it's supposed to do. Oh yeah, it has some, it actually has some little stuff to keep the tape. It's got some little, so that's what it is. That's exactly what it is, brand new. So that's so nice. Yeah, the handle on this is that is it's plastic. So this is the select drive. So this is, so the minimum setting is the lowest. If you go to the mats, that's clicking noise. Oh, that's, yeah, I think. Okay. Very capable, works good. But if it's not messed up or anything, that's a good thing. Yeah, the HRN is like, well, it's a bit worn out on here. It's actually like this when I first got it. Yep, see, there's scratches in this thing. Look how nice this thing is. This is actually the same exact style deck as my old HRX215, the 27, that's 27 years old now. This is a plastic deck, the older style, not as good as the Netside deck. Netside's a lot more stronger than this one, of course. But this one is the exact similar style as this. I'll have to pull it. You know what? I think I can pull it out now. Okay, so you can see, here's the HRX215. Okay, so you can see the actual difference between this old plastic deck and the Netside deck in HRX. You can tell that, well, the Netside has been updated a little bit more better and much more durable than this old one. But this is still the exact same style. As you can tell the difference between the front of it. If you can tell these two differences, this deck is technically the same as this, which it is actually, which is really nice. See how dirty it is. It's 27 years old. This is a year old versus 1995. I am gonna actually fix this one up since this hasn't ran in about a year and a half. It just needs a new blade after and blades, and also it might need a new O-ring or a seal for the dipstick and the tube itself. But somehow if I tip it on its right side, it leaks a bit of oil coming from the dipstick. So I'm thinking the seal that goes on the dipstick, dipstick, I think is probably starting to become bad. So yeah, I don't know if it's the oil paint. It better not be my oil paint gasket itself. It's still pretty much the same deck and everything that I did. Painted this black, the edges I painted it black and all. And this I painted, this whole fan cover, which is on top of the recoil starter, I painted this black. And I wrote this, and this sticker used to be on here, so I mounted it on there. And I painted this from part black, and I painted a little bit of the wheels black. So it's no longer soft powder anymore. If I told you that about over a year ago, it's push. So I still have a gear lever on. So yeah, I have no soft powder in it, which means I have no belts, no transmission, and no cables. The only cables I have is just the brake cable and the throttle cable. The self-propel model, which would used to be, not anymore. But if it did, it would have two extra cables, like one for the self-propelled cable all the way up to the self-propelled bail bar, and then one, the cable that connects the transmission to this orange shift lever. So yeah, I know it runs great, but yeah, it just hasn't ran in a while. So yeah, but I was just gonna show you the differences of these two. So that's all. All right. Right. Oh, all right. So my GoPro is about to become a little low, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up, and then I'll go ahead and take it outside, and I'll add some engine oil and add some fresh gas in it, and we'll see how all this thing starts. Okay, so I have it outside. It's been a couple of hours later. I just had to go mow a lawn though, and now I'm done. So just for today. So yeah, I brought it outside, and I'm ready to add some oil in it and some fuel fuel in the tank, and we'll see how it starts first time. First, I'm gonna add oil in it. Ow, for those stupid caps. Hold on. This. We're gonna check on lipstick. But we're gonna, that's all, we're gonna let it settle a couple minutes. It might be a bit too much, but we'll see. The full mark needs to be about, probably about right, somewhere about right there. So if it's about right there, then we're good. But we'll I might put a bit too much in here. That's probably, yeah, that is pretty much at the full mark. So it's about like right here to here, so that is the full mark, so that is probably plenty. Well, at least it's not all the way to overfill it. Just gonna pour a little bit in here. That's good. So this is a little bit, so it's a little bit more than half. It's about close to half tank. And we'll put that back on. So that's good. I'm gonna remove that, set the film later actually. Also, I don't know exactly how much horsepower the GCV200 has, but I do know how much horsepower and torque the GCV170 has in HRN. Well, that has about, I think it makes like 4.8 horsepower, and torque is about 8.2 pound-feet of torque. So I'm gonna have, yeah, probably after I make this video, I'm gonna look it up and see how much horsepower the GCV200 has. I know it says it has like 9 something pound-feet of torque, so it's a little slightly more than the 170, but yeah. So look how pretty this thing is. This thing is just so good. Alright, so that's it. We'll see how it starts for the very first time. I'm gonna actually take it up to the front. So right, so I just turned the fuel valve on, and we're gonna see how it starts the first time. It's at 3 inches, so I'm just gonna see. I'm not gonna cut anything yet. I just want to see how well it runs first. Okay. We'll see how it starts first time. It should start at least one pole, but we'll find out. Well, I'm gonna stop the video because I'm gonna do a little test mode with it. But that's the unboxing video of my new Honda HRX217. Started right up in the ring, right? It's a little dirty, but I'll clean it later. So yeah, so it's a very nice mower, and I'll do some videos of this. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later.